Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get ancient seed pack for free and grow a garden. First of all, go to this location and click on show me the daily quest, and then you will see the Dino quest here, and you need to complete the Dino quest to earn the free seed pack. And as you can see guys, I have already completed one of the Dino quests, this one. I need to harvest 50 strawberries and then I'm going to claim it. Okay, and then I will get the ancient seed pack as the reward. So I'm just going to go back to my garden and then I'm going to open the seed pack here. Wait, let me go to this location. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this menu and click on the seed items, and wait, I'm going to scroll down, and this is for the ancient seed pack. Okay, and click on anywhere to open this seed pack. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, I got this Dino room, and then I'm going to plant it on my garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get ancient seed pack for free in grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.